There are other ways we could have noticed this important feature of the dataset, but there are also other ways that by jumping into a different analysis, we might have missed this. For example, if we just look at a 5-number summary of the data, we might not notice this so easily. One clue to the discreteness is that the 75th percentile is the same as the maximum. We could also see this discreteness by looking at how many distinct prices there are in the dataset. So here it looks like there's about 20 different prices. Tabling the variable, we get an idea of the distribution like we saw in the histogram. So now that we know something about the price, let's figure out on a given purchase occasion how many 8-ounce yogurts does a household purchase. To answer this, we need to combine the counts of the different yogurt flavors into one variable. For example, for this particular household, on one purchase occasion, they bought 3 different types of yogurt. To figure this out for all of the households, we need to make use of a new function. The function is called the transform function. Now, I haven't introduced this function yet, but I want you to look up the function and run the examples of the code at the bottom of the documentation to figure out what it does. See if you can create a new variable called allPurchases, which gives the total counts of yogurt for each observation or household purchase. Keep in mind that you need to save this variable to the data frame, so this may or may not be in your syntax.